Hey guys, it's Joel and Anthony from Aiken's Outdoor Adventure, and welcome back to our beginner backpacking series.
Personal items is our episode for the day, but stick around till the end of the video. We're doing some giveaways.
Alright guys, so I know we're not all going to run around the woods naked, so what kind of clothing are we going to bring? And how much do we want to bring? It's going to be different between Joy and I.
I need to have an outfit, usually a pair of shorts and a light t-shirt that I sleep in, depending on the length of trip. So we usually do about 5 days. So I like to have 2 separate outfits so that about halfway through, like 3 days in, I can change. I bring 2 pairs of leggings, 2 pairs of tank tops. All are going to be a polyester spandex blend, which is going to be really breathable, dry really easily if we have a water crossing. Underwear, because mine are small and light. I have a different pair for every day. Obviously, he can't do that with boxers, but as a lady, having a clean pair of panties every day is kind of important. Socks, I always had 2. When I sleep, I wanted to have socks for added warmth. Pretty much kept 1 pair that I only slept with until the others got either so gross or so wet that I needed to utilize the others. And we actually use Belegas. They're antimicrobial fabric. They're breathable, they're moisture wicking. They have this little lip here in the back, which really helps with blisters when you're on trail.
They also dry very quick, and they don't stink. They do not hold the odors like most other cotton blend socks do. I actually bring 2 pairs of Ex Officio boxer briefs. I also bring 1 pair of shorts, which I hike in, and then I also have a pair of pants. You can also turn your boxers inside out if you need to. I know. Just embrace it. I bring 2 short sleeve shirts, 1 to sleep in, 1 to hike in, and then I bring a long sleeve button up that is moisture wicking and is breathable. I also bring 2 pairs of Belega. You're hiking. You need to take time and invest in some good shoes.
Do your research, see what's gonna work best for you. For us, the Solomon Speed Crosses were the best. They were a really nice blend. We liked the ankle. We personally didn't want boots, but they gave really nice tread for on trail.
Another item for your feet is shoes that you can use to cross water. We've tried many different kinds. We're not going to talk about this very much because we haven't found that pair that's just perfect.
We replace them every year. We'll probably get a new pair for this year as well.
I'm going to try Crocs next time. I'm going to be honest.
But we do know that we don't like crossing the water in our hiking shoes. It's important for us to keep those dry. Going back to checking your weather, checking your temperature for that season. For Colorado, the days were like tank top weather, but then the nights got down to like high 30s in the season we were there. So having down jackets, I had a light like spandex blend jacket underneath that I wore a lot, even just for sun protection. We would bring gloves, we would bring merino wool beanies. And we always brought ball caps. Even if it's cold, you will still burn.
I know a lot of you say embrace the stink. I'm not all about that life. I don't want to smell myself, so I do bring a small thing of deodorant with us.
Speaking of getting burnt, this was a fantastic product. It is Avon Skin So Soft with SPF 30 bug repellent, just because of the perfumes that are added into it.
DEET is really good for keeping away your bugs, but also DEET will slowly over time destroy your expensive gear. So yes, it works, but we suggest using a product like the Skin So Soft. That's going to be safer on your skin, also safer on all of your equipment. Talking about hiking long distance, I'm a bigger guy, and you're all going to laugh about this, but one of the things I take with me, and I don't take this big of a container, but it is, baby butt paste. Chafing, it's a real thing. It's an issue. I bring a little bit of this in a Ziploc bag. It's messy, it's horrible, but it helps.
I have really sensitive skin. I have to clean and moisturize. The particular skincare system, I still use Mary Kay. I'm old school. They come in these little travel-sized face wash moisturizer containers. The moisturizers do have SPF in them. Mini toothpaste. And no joke, trying to cut down on weight. So we have our toothbrush that we cut half of it off just to cut down on weight and to make it more packable. Chicks, bring your hair ties. Or if you have a man bun, bring a hair tie or 2, you're gonna need it. Then we have chapstick. Even in our hot weathered hikes, chapstick was a big deal. Just the breathing in and out from exertion, just don't go without it.
So one more thing about chapstick. You could also put the chapstick into the safety and first aid. You can put this over a wound to keep dirt out of it. You can also use this to help start a fire because it'll keep moisture off your matches and stuff like that. The subject that everybody likes to laugh about. Poop. So we got some poop tickets, some toilet paper. I just took it off the roll and rolled it up, put it in the bag. Also, there's some wet wipes in here that you let them dry out. Once you dry out the wet wipes, you add a little bit of water to them. They come back to life, and it is heavenly on, Anyways, I'm done with that. One of our new favorite pieces of gear is our deuce of spades. We got the bright orange one, so we won't lose it out in the woods. This thing weighs, what was it, 6.6 ounces.
Makes it easy for digging your 6-inch holes. When you have a highly trafficked trail and you need to go to the bathroom and you don't want to have to pull down your britches all the way, you've got this guy for obvious reasons. We'll just link that video right here if you need to know how to use it.
Our last item we're going to talk about with personal thing is lighting. I bought a new headlamp. It is the Night Core. It's super bright, it's rechargeable, has several different features on it. On our smaller hikes, we like to also bring a lantern. This thing came from Walmart. I think it was like
big, it's bulky, but man is it nice and convenient.
It weighs 3.8 ounces and it takes some 3 AAAs, and I don't remember last time I changed these batteries.
It's also nice, it's got these different hooks here on the bottom that you can use to fasten it either on your ridge line of your hammock, or most tents have a piece to hook it on at the top.
So
last year was the first year we did not take our rain ponchos. Depending on your weather, we actually used these in the vestibules to put underneath our backpack so that there was protection from dirt, rain, critters, whatever. As awkward as they are, you've got the big hood, you've got the little visor, and it's enough to cover your backpack and down to your mid-thigh. There's actually a new ultralight umbrella that Z-Pack sells, and not only that, they have this new little attachment that goes right here on your shoulder strap so that it holds your umbrella for you while you're hiking.
Something else that we use for our tents and for our hammocks is you can go to Lowe's and there's some plastic they sell to cover windows. Super lightweight, super durable. You can put it underneath your tent for a ground cloth, or you can put it in your vestibule to put your clothes on to keep your backpack dry.
All right, so if you are looking for a way to support us and our channel, we have new merchandise on our website linked below.
So if you like this video, subscribe, hit that bell icon. We're gonna be posting a new video every Monday. The next episode is gonna be the big 3, which is gonna be your backpack, your sleep system, and then your shelter. We have a giveaway. We'll be giving away some of our merchandise. So if you watch this whole series, and if you like it, and put a comment, you'll be entered to win an item from our store. We're gonna pick 2 different people